Can you please speak louder a little bit? Hello?
And I use the
Yeah, yeah.
earbuds.
Now I can hear it now.
Now
Yes,
you can
Mr.
hear me.
Akib.
Should
Yeah,
I speak
I
louder?
can. It is audible. Yeah.
I'm not speaking louder because everyone is sleeping. Most of the people here
Oh,
are
I got it.
sleeping.
I
That's
got it.
why.
I got it. I got it. I can understand.
So here it is right night right now.
Okay. So,
Hey
Akib,
Amelia.
what do you
Yeah,
do for living?
that is a good question. Right now I don't have a like full-time job. I do part-time at a restaurant.
Okay. Okay.
So I work at a restaurant part-time, like from Thursday to Sunday night.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Also, you are the students as well as you work part time, right?
I completed my study like
Oh,
last
okay. But you are preparing for job
June.
also. Some on the other hand.
I'm waiting for my work permit. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. So where do you want to work?
So I don't have work permit. Hmm?
Where do you want to work? Outside from your country or the same place in the your country?
Oh no, right now I am in Toronto. So
Oh,
I live
okay,
in
you are in
Toronto.
Toronto.
So
Okay, I got it.
yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
Nice.
So what about you? What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I teach students.
You read a lot of book, I think. I'm seeing books
Yeah,
behind you.
I refer books before I teach. So yeah, but I book lover. I really love books. Now and then I go through books.
So what kind of books you study or you read?
Yeah,
Sometimes
yeah.
for me, like I study books. I read it.
Okay, it is very difficult to go through book, but if you go through any movie, it is very easy to digest. But yes, if you talk about books, then very difficult. But for me, I easily digest because I have been doing since from my childhood. I love books, so I easily digest it. But yes, if you talk about my like, then I
So what
like
kind of books?
motivational books, self-help books. Most probably, I like James Allen books and Napoleon Hill books. These are the two famous writers I like very much.
This kind of book.
Yeah, another book is
And what is the content?
content is
What
about
they're suggesting to become rich.
yes, the book contains about the goal, the life ambition, the SQG. I mean, there are a lot of keys points like in our life sometimes we feel so much burden. Okay, we never think about present time. We always stay in the past. If you don't stay in present, how can we live our life properly, right? So you must think about your present and you do for your best and somehow you can manage your time properly. And one more thing that book is suggest you you must focus your burning desire. If you have burning desire, then definitely you can do better in your life. Something really passionate about it, whatever the thing passionate about it, you just go through it, then definitely you can do better. Like this book is suggest about it.
Okay, yeah. So we always should chase our dreams. But not all the times the conditions will allow you to chase your dreams, right? Because we can have dreams, but you can have a condition that will not allow you to like chase your dreams or fulfill your dreams or work for your dreams. For example, right? Let's say you want to become rich, but you don't have access to education anywhere. Like you are living in a remote corner of the world. Uh, or you want to become like educated, but you don't have access to education. So in this kind of scenario, I think it is difficult. So sometimes we can have dreams, and but it is really difficult to achieve
I
those
can
dreams. And
yes, yes, you're right.
So for my question would be to you, is that yeah. So my question would be to you that if you cannot like deep inside your heart, if you know that you cannot fulfill your dream, so what kind of emotional ability, they call it, so you should have to handle this kind of situation.
Yes, as you mentioned, it is not that easy to, to control your emotion first of all. But yes, if you continuously practice positive affirmation, positive thoughts, sometimes what happen, we feel negative, and the negative feelings come us very easily, spontaneously come to you, and you feel very frustrated, very anxiety. But if we talk about positive affirmation, it not come to you easily. So though you are in a bad situation, we feel positive, and gradually it will, if you do so, then what happen, it become habit. And when it become habit, then ultimately we can develop a good habits, and later it will become really helpful. We can make our dream also fulfill. In the same way, we run our life happily. Our ultimate goal is become happy, right? If you don't happy, even you have a lot of money, then there is worthless, right? So becoming happy is very good, important. It is very important thing, and to feel good about ourselves is very important thing. Always, I think we should feel happy, so that gradually our subconscious mind feel it as it take it granted, and ultimately we be happy always.